Here we are here in the water park. Hit the summer in Bayrawa. Sina may Chema and then the two. Here I'm not take shower. Now here the another for the 5 feet here in Bayrawa. This is the view. It's drive from our house is 30 minutes from our house. Because my Chema want to come here because summer. Now the kid is there, Sophia and Sukriti is there. This is for the kids. And then you saw there in the top, this is all swimming here in Nepal. Now this is Sophia is there. Sophia and Sukriti and Chaima. She is the one taking care of the kids here. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the summer. Have fun. Bye-bye.